live from the Pacific Ocean. Doo-doo-doo.
Day 10.
Day 10. What you saying then?
Beautiful day, nice calm seas, feeling about 1.6 knots.
We're off ski. There's no stopping girls, you there now. 1.3 knots. Come on. We're back in the game, guys. Thanks so much for all your support. We're stuck in some kind of whirlpool and we can't move, so we're just waiting it out for a few hours and hopefully back on the horse, but at least we're not stuck inside the cabin this time.
Jane,
Yeah.
what is it that you want most of all?
I'd take a chip right now, darling.
And what kind of chips?
I'd take a sweet potato fry, skinny fry, fat fry. I'd take a jack potato.